All right, guys, I have a very important crypto update video for you that you need to watch into the very end because some very big things are about to be taking place within hours, within just hours. We're going to be getting into that very shortly, so make sure you watch unto the very end. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate these videos where I come out to you no matter what I'm doing with an emergency, with the information that you need to hear, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. So before we get into the video, I'm just going to show you, I'm in Venice, Italy. I'm going to show you where I am at right now. So it's super cool. These buildings have been around for hundreds of years. I'm sitting here on the water. It's very beautiful. We have the sunset coming down, and we are about 6 to 8 hours or so a difference in time zone from Eastern Standard Time, and it is just looking absolutely beautiful here. This entire city is basically composed of hundreds of islands that all these buildings and houses and castles and palaces are built upon. But let me go ahead and get into the video. I have some very important things that I need to share with you on the charts right now. There's a few things that are going to be taking place this week that can be causing a lot of volatility, so let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. The first and most important thing is what we are seeing is that cryptos are actually very bullish. And if we go to Bitcoin, I'm going to show you something incredible. So Bitcoin right here is holding up near $24,000. We almost broke $25,000 the other day, as we can see up here, and that day specifically was literally just a couple of days ago. So what we can see here is a very bullish chart where we are seeing a very strong uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, and right now Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are forming a bullish flag, which is when we pump up and just trade sideways. We're not crashing down, we're not going down from this level, we're holding up very strong, and this is a actual critical point, because if we do break down, we do go down, we could see a significant dump, but it is very likely, since we are in an uptrend, that we're going to be continuing that bullish trend. So there is a high probability that we will be continuing to move up from this current region, which we could potentially be seeing a $26,000 to $27,000 price targets. Moving on to Ethereum, we are seeing the same exact thing where we are seeing a very bullish trend, uptrend, and a consolidation where Ethereum is trading sideways, but Ethereum is getting ready, in my opinion, to make a very big move. So we are seeing Ethereum, we're seeing Bitcoin, Shiba Inu is setting up. These altcoins, Dogecoins, they're setting up very big, and they're very bullish. Now, in addition to the charts being very bullish, there's something I need to share with you. Not only are cryptocurrencies looking very bullish, not only are they setting up, but we also have the stock market literally recovering. It's breaking major resistance levels like cryptos have been doing, but they just did it on Friday for the first time in just a couple of months. It's been quite some time. That is a very good sign that the market, the economy is beginning to recover, that people are becoming less fearful and willing to invest. So we're moving away from this stage of panic, the stage of fear for investors, not only in the crypto market but the stock market, and it's happening right now. So when we begin to see that, that's when recoveries take place, and that's going to be referenced to cryptocurrencies, your crypto portfolio as well. Now today is Sunday, and that is when the futures markets open up. So depending on how the futures markets open up, and they are going to be opening up here in just a few hours, depending on the time you see this video, there's going to be more volatility when the futures markets open up, and we're going to have to see. There might be bearishness when the markets open up, because a lot of times what we will see is when there's a lot of bullishness on Friday, the futures markets will open up red because people are taking profits, preparing for what may take place this week. So we could see a little bit of a pullback tonight with the futures market, and on Monday, which would be completely normal, completely healthy, because cryptos and stocks have been very bullish, and it is normal to see a small pullback for people to take profits, for things to readjust before they head back up. So we're going to be watching for that, and there's nothing major happening on the economic calendar this week as well. No interest rates, nothing crazy happening, and that is very important. Look at this, we see a really big boat coming behind us here. So we're going to be taking a look at that. We do have CPI coming out in a couple of weeks. If CPI comes in lower, which I personally expect and target CPI to come in lower, because the highest months I believe have already peaked out, and we can see that by the US dollar beginning to go down. We're going to monitor all of that, but I am speculating that the CPI, the inflation, should begin to come down. If that actually is the case, as a lot of financial experts are speculating, and a lot of economists are speculating, then we're definitely going to be seeing a renewed recovery in the crypto and stock market, which is going to be very bullish, and that's going to allow this bull run to start for cryptocurrencies and to continue for many months to come. So we are going to be staying tuned for that. I'm going to be giving you all of that information here on my videos and in my Patreon. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts on the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon. Tier 3 in my video description, where you get access to the most profitable trade alerts, where we have been making money hand over fist each and every week and saving ourselves a lot of financial ruin and disaster by pulling out in the proper times. And you will get access to all of those alerts in tier 3. You will have access to some alerts in tier 1 and tier 2, which will make you money and pay for your subscription very quickly. But if you want to get access to all the trade alerts and all my information, what I'm doing as a day trader in cryptocurrencies, go ahead and follow those alerts. Now, also make sure if you are a follower or a subscriber, you get a $4,000 deposit bonus by going over to Bybit and using the link in my video description by depositing crypto. It is a crypto trading platform. Highly recommend it. And also, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, go in the link in my video description and apply for my new course and mentoring program, which will help you to become an amazing trader and investor in the crypto market, where you can call out big plays way before they happen. So here you can see it. We got some boats coming by. Since we are on an island and everything is on water, you have to travel by boat. So there's no cars here. People aren't traveling on cars. It's very interesting how they have to commute. Very cool here in Venice, Italy. So that's going to be about it for my video, guys. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. I love you all. I will see you tomorrow. I will be making videos every single day, as I always do, no matter where I am, no matter what I'm doing. Even if I'm on the top of a cliff with no service, I will have a video out to you no matter what. We will find service no matter what. So you guys have a great night. Love you all. See you later.